Hello, my name's Barry. Welcome to my product overview of Braille Maker Professional, a piece of software that makes converting text in Braille a relatively simple matter. Braille Maker is already installed on this machine, and if you clicked on Braille Maker from the program files, this is the interface you would see, with PIP, the Rescue Owl logo, on the front. We'll look more at this later, so at the moment I'm just going to remove it. I've got Word open. This is Word 2007, and you can see on the top here Braille Maker ribbon has been put there in the install. So that shows you the Braille Maker ribbon. If we now go back to home, and really the reason I'm giving this overview is so that parents, children, support staff can have a better understanding of the product. If we now just type in something like King Arthur was a very great king and had a round table. Nice and simple. We need to save that. For Braille Maker to work, it needs a file that's been saved, so you always have to save before you convert, and we'll save it just as that, so it's no problem. So there are files saved, and it's rather a simple matter now to convert this to Braille. If we go to the Braille Maker and we click on Braille, you see Braille Maker comes up, and in the professional version, and as this one is set, you can see here it says, do you want to print? Yes. And if I did want to emboss straight away to an Everest embosser, I'd simply press that and off our Braille would go, or no would cancel it. But I'll click on edit, which will take us through nicely to the editor. Braille Maker comes with this editor interface, that's Braille Maker Professional. Here you can see the converted Braille. You can see up here the page number that's been given, the small dot before the numbers, and if I just go down to that level, what it has is a nice little feature called a back translate ribbon. If I click on that, you can see what that line says. King A4 was a very great king and had a round table. Well, this really isn't what we wanted. I wanted King Arthur. So this is the joy of the Braille Maker. We can say no to that and just go there, and now I'll type in Arthur, and we need to save it again. And to convert, simply go up to Braille Maker, click on Braille, a reassuring owl comes up. Again, we'll choose edit, and now I'll come down to our line of text here, click on the back translate ribbon, and now you can see down here King Arthur was a very great king and had a round, and I'm sure if we go down to the next thing you'll see table. This is quite reassuring when you're trying to chase down a fault and you're a support worker and you're still working on your Braille, or a parent. Nice little touch. So that's quite simple. We could go to emboss here, or export the data as an export BRL file, a Braille file. So you could utilize it at another time, but it's so speedy to do it from Word. That's all we really need to know at this point in time. So that's as quick and easy as it is to send Braille document from a converted text. You could open a document here with many words, and it's about as fast as that each time. We'll have a look next in the next video at the interface and the settings.